Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, March 20th, 2019. As you can see, IYT, the transportation ETF, is falling pretty sharply. Minor support here just above 180. You have a nice little pivot point right there. But the reality of it is this is going to go lower. So what I expect is you're going to come down to this pivot. You might get a minor bounce, and then you're going all the way down here. This is the key master level. If I put a trend line in right there, all right, that's very much a major target. Look at how it lines up with this pivot and then with this pivot right here. I mean, they're all within 50 cents of each other right in here. So this is your target over the next 1 to 2 weeks on the IYT, probably even 1 week target. I think probably within 5 trading days we hit this level. Once you get there, you should expect a bounce. In my opinion, you will get a bounce. And what's interesting, you could even have an inverse head and shoulders at that point. But I still think you need to pull back to this level before you start thinking about a long. So we'll keep an eye on that in the near term here. See if we pull back over the next week or two into this key level. If you do expect a bounce off of it, it's good for at least a swing trade. Might even be a multi-week trade stretching out. Probably a bounce from that area, which is around the 175 level, all the way back to, my guess is you'll get close to 185. So easy $10 there for a quick swing trade. If you ask me where this is in a year from now, I honestly think it's lower. So please be aware of that. I think this is a swing trade, but not a married till you die type long-term investment trade. All right, guys. Looking at the S&P 500 today, we're just basically waiting for the Federal Reserve. The spiders, again, I think this is fascinating, folks. You closed above the line on Monday. You didn't confirm Tuesday, so no confirmation so far means it's a fake breakout. We've now retraced, but we'll wait to see what the Fed does today. That will be a very telltale sign how the market reacts. Just considering FedEx's negative earnings today, which is why the IYT is down so sharply, you do kind of have a negative kind of shadow cast over the global economy, which obviously does impact the domestic a little bit as we're seeing today. But let's be honest, it's all about the Fed. The Fed is what really is one of the main reasons, along with potential for a trade deal with China, that has driven this market all the way up from this. I mean, this has just been an insane bounce, and we're going to find out again if it can continue. If it continues, very likely you see the all-time highs up here. So we'll know today. I think you'll know today. I think one way or the other, you're either going to get back below this line on a closing basis, which would be very bearish, or if the Fed says just the right stuff, if Powell in this press conference say just the right things, you can see this thing rally pretty nicely back up and confirm, in which case you could easily go to the all-time highs. All right, guys, have a great one as always. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com.